Over time, the notice board has been so useful in passing across important information to people. And this is the very reason why I think having a personal notice board is so important. So, getting a notice board reminds me daily of the things I need to do on my to-do list. So it's also help in planning my day, week, and months. Hi, my name is Sibling Monday. Welcome to my channel Lively Lifestyle, where I share with you how to live your best life here on earth with eternity in view. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell button to get updates whenever I post new videos. I'm going to show you today on this video how to make a DIY notice board. Very simple, very easy, and takes you less time to do. You can do it with the things you have in your house. So, you want to know how I make my DIY notice board? Keep watching. For this DIY tutorial, we'll be needing a cardboard paper of 20 by 15 inches, a snap-off knife, a styrofoam or a polystyrene foam of the same length as the cardboard paper, a scissors, a glue, and of course a fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice. So details of the items you need will be in the description box below. Okay, the first step is to glue your cardboard to your polystyrene foam or your styrofoam, whichever name you call it, and also glue the fabric to both of them. I use the cardboard here because I want um the the notice board to be firmer for the pins to stay in place when I put the pin. So if you don't have a styrofoam, you can go ahead and use a cardboard, or you can also get a thick wadding. If you're a fashion designer, a tailor, you know what a thick wadding is all about, or just get a foam. Yeah, okay. So now I just went ahead to glue the hold the fabric to the board and the styrofoam in place, and with the pin, then I cut off the excess. So just wrap the fabric in place and cut away the excess. So I turn it around to see what the other side look like, if there's any adjustment I need to do in the front part. Okay, now I'm going to make sure everything is properly secured in place. You can use a stapler for this process too. A stapler works well too for this. Okay, so I just apply my glue round and I kept turning over, I kept flipping it over to see what the other side look like, if the fabric is in place. Okay, so I've secured the fabric to the styrofoam and cardboard with a glue. Now I just want to cover the back side just to make it look neat at the back with a paper. Any paper is fine. So here I'm using my pattern paper to cover the back side to make it look neater. So I'm going to use a glue. So this spray glue just work well for me because it's faster. I just have to spray it and put in the paper. So that's what I did in this section. Sorry, it's a bit blurry, but what I did here was just to spray the glue and cut the paper to size and attach the paper to the back of the notice board. It just makes the back look neat, so I don't leave the back open like that. Okay, so I just secured everything in place with the glue, and when it was neatly secured, I turned it over and I dust the front aspect of my notice board. Okay, so the next thing I did was just to add a little bit of design on the notice board. So you could leave your notice board like that, it's okay like that, but I just went ahead to add borders, like a more like a frame, for notice board to look more like a frame. So you could do this. So what I did here was just cut some pieces of cardboard paper and wrap it with a self-adhesive paper. So then I glue it to my notice board. Then I chose this particular fabric because it's easy to clean when it's dusty. I don't have to look for how to bring it down or stuff like that to clean, so I could just dust it off. So the last thing I did was to put something at the back to hang it up. Okay, so I just used the bias tape. I glue a bias tape too. So I noticed that the bias tape was falling off. Then I later used a pin, kind of pin to clip it up. And here we have our notice board, very simple to make, so I hope you try yours. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you in my next video.